好，Hello，咁呢條咧會同大家講2025年嘅第12條嘅，咁即係一條 Allcam 嘅題目啦，咁就關於一啲即係 organic conversion 咁樣啦。咁你見到咧，即係 A、B、C、D、E 咁樣好多嘢啦。咁我哋逐條題目睇啦，咁樣咁就講咧，B 係一個 cyclic 嘅 compound 啦。咁咩係 cyclic 咧？即係佢有個圈嘅咁樣。咁 with the molecular formula 就 C5H8O2嘅，咁就 with reference to the conversion of A to B 係啦。A 依嚿嘢去 B 依嚿嘢咁樣嘅，OK？咁你見到咧 A 依嚿嘢去 B 嗰嚿嘢咧，佢就加 concentrated sulfuric acid hit 佢咧就會出 B 噶啦。咁我哋望下 A 先，望下 A 咧，你見到佢有啲咩 functional group 咧？有一個嘅 carboxylic acid 啦，即係 carboxyl group 啦，同一個 hydroxyl group 嘅。咁再加埋個 concentrated sulfuric acid 咧，其實你會諗到啦，呢一個 reaction 其實做緊啲咩咧？呢個 reaction 咧就係做緊 esterification 嘅。雖然你見到esterification 唔係有兩嚿嘢咩？啱啊，不過其實佢重點就係我要有一個hydroxyl group 同一個hydroxyl group 同埋 carboxyl group 啊嘛。咁佢同一個 compound 已經有啦咁樣，而且佢 form 個 ring 咧唔係話即係唔係話好細咁樣啦，佢都兜到一個圈嘅，即係5個 carbon 6個 carbon 其實都可以 form 到嘅。咁所以咧就會即係可以整到個 B 出嚟咁樣咯，即係佢自己兜咗自己個圈咁樣啦，即係佢頭咬住個尾咁樣啦吓。OK，咁所以呢度四個 carbon，跟住再加多一個 oxygen 用嚟黐住咁樣啦。咁所以我哋可以畫翻一個五角形出嚟先嘅，五角形跟住其中一個 O 啦，咁就係呢個就會係第一二三四，呢個就係第五個咁樣啦。咁然後咧，你見到第四個嗰度咧有 double bond 噶嘛？OK，咁所以咧我哋第四個呢度就有個 double bond 啦，跟住第三個 carbon 咧就有個methyl group 咁樣嘅，咁呢個就係 possible structure of B 咁樣啦。OK，咁跟住咧就叫你解釋 A 去 B 有冇 condensation 嘅。咁 condensation 大家condensation 幾時學過啊？就係 condensation polymerization 啦，如果大家有印象嘅話，呢度 condensation polymerization 嘅時候就有講過啦。咁呢個係呢度我係喺第46課嗰度抽出嚟嘅，即係因為講緊 condensation polymerization 啊嘛。咁 condensation reaction 係咩咧？即係 two or more molecule 啦，其實都唔一定嘅。總之就係嗰兩個 group 啦，join together to form。即係 to form a molecule 啦，and then with elimination of a small molecule 嘅，咁所以其實佢有做咗一個 elimination 啦。例如呢度佢有講到 esterification 咧，其實都係嘅，因為佢有 eliminate 到一個 small molecule during the reaction 啦，咁所以係嘅。咁所以我懶得成日喺度抄啦吓，係啦，咁就係啦，因為點樣咧？點樣整細佢咧？咁樣嘅，睇下先。唔得嘅，咁大隻嘅，等陣啊，諗下點樣整先。OK，得啦，咁樣啦，咁你見到係啦，因為個 carboxyl group react with the hydroxyl group 啦，咁 join up at two ends，咁跟住然後咧 with 一個 elimination of small molecule which is water 咁樣嘅，咁所以咧其實佢係一個 condensation reaction 嚟嘅。OK，咁跟住 part B 啦，咁就有 conversion of A to C 嘅，咁啊叫你 suggest the reagent and reaction condition needed 咁樣啦。咁 A 去 C 發生咩事呢？咁我哋又睇啦，A 去 C，咁你睇翻呢，其實呢啲拆咗佢先。OK，好啦，睇翻呢 A 呢，就呢度係一樣嘅，冇變嘅，咁即係冇 reaction 唔關事啦。咁 reaction 喺邊個位呢？就係呢度。由一個嘅 alcohol，咁佢個 primary alcohol 變咗做 carboxylic acid 嘅，即係做緊 oxidation 啦。呢度 oxidation，咁 oxidation 咧，咁所以咧就係用呢個嘅dichromate 啦。咁啊記住要 acidify potassium dichromate 咁樣啦。咁跟住咧，我哋會個 condition 咧就係要 heat 嘅，即係 heat under reflux 咁樣啦。OK，可能我寫 heat under reflux，OK，好啦，咁跟住 C 啦，咁就 A 去 D 嘅，A 去 D possible structural formula of D 咁樣，咁我哋睇翻 A 去 D 發生咩事啦？A 去 D，咁今次咧就一紮嘢咧係一紮嘢咧係一紮 reducing agent 嚟嘅，咁所以咧一度咧就做緊 reduction 啦，咁 A 咧就有兩個 functional group 啊嘛，咁但係頭先 primary alcohol 就做 oxidation 啦，但係做唔到 reduction 嘅，咁但係今次咧倒翻轉啦，呢一個 carboxyl group 咧 就可以做到 reduction 嘅。咁當佢做 reduction 嘅時候咧，其實佢就會 form 咗呢個嘅primary alcohol 咁樣啦。咁我數下要1、2、3、4個 carbon，咁所以頭尾就駁翻住 OH 啦。OH 啦，咁就1、2、3、4個 carbon 係啦，跟住呢度有個 methyl group 咁樣，咁呢個就係當 A 做咗 reduction 嘅時候，佢個 carboxyl group undergo reduction 變咗做一個 primary alcohol 就會係 D 啦咁樣。OK，咁呢度可能我哋要畫翻個 D 出嚟會好啲。OH 係啦咁樣，咁跟住然後咧 D 咧去 E 咧發生咩事咧？你見到 D 咧係本身係一啲嘅 alcohol 嚟㗎啦，咁樣咁變咗 D 咧，唔係變咗 E 咧就係一個 alkene 嚟嘅，咁所以咧一路做緊 dehydration， 做緊 dehydration，OK，咁做 dehydration 咧佢會form 即係佢要啲咩 reagent 咁樣咧，咁做 dehydration 咧咁就係 aluminium hydroxide，咁要有 heat 咁樣嘅，或者用 concentrated sulfuric acid 啦咁樣，咁但係冇所謂啦，是第一個。跟住 systematic name of E，咁 E 咧呢一嚿嘢咁樣，咁我哋就 name 翻佢啦。呢度就會係1、2、3、4個 carbon，咁所以咧就然後咧第二個 carbon 有個 methyl group，不過咧佢即係佢第二個 carbon 或者第四個 carbon，唔係第二或者第三個 carbon 有個 methyl group 係冇分別噶嘛，即係一樣噶嘛，咁所以就唔使俾個數字俾佢啦。咁所以咧就 methyl 呢度或者我哋寫咗後面先。咁本身咧就標塔，記住有塔喎，係啦，標塔寫喺前面啦。標塔 1,3 diene 啦，OK，咁然後第二個 carbon 有個 methyl group，咁但係二同三一樣噶嘛，咁所以咧就唔使寫，唔使另外即係寫個2或者3喺前面咁樣啦，咁所以 methyl 標塔 1,3 diene，咁就係佢個名啦，OK，係啦 methyl 標塔 1,3 diene，咁跟住啦，最後啦應該係啦，去到 E 嗰度問緊咩咧？依嚿嘢啦，E react with excess 嘅 hydrogen，咁就 form product F 咁樣，咁 E 係 alkene 嚟噶嘛，即係標塔 1,3 diene 啊嘛，畫翻佢個樣先 1,3 diene，sorry 啊，咁 methyl 1,3 diene 啦，excess 嘅 hydrogen，咁跟住就會 form product F，咁呢個咧就其實做緊 hydrogenation，OK，咁所以咧就會將個 double bond 冇咗，就會變咗依嚿嘢啦。咁就係啦，變咗依嚿嘢 double bond 冇咗。咁然後有啲咩 catalyst 咧？咁就係要用到 PT 啦。咁要記住，OK，好，咁就應該完啦。第12條講完。